I've got to brag about this Tengyue Bluetooth laser printer, thermal laser printer. This label printer has been phenomenal. There are some things that I want to add to this review that no one has bragged about. When you get your starter packet, you will have this little USB key right here. This, if you are using it on your PC, you definitely want to use this because it gives the software update for the drivers, and that's important. But what's great about this is you can connect this to Bluetooth. That means you can use your tablet or your cell phone to print labels as long as it has a power source that you can plug it into. It's real easy to use, and there are some features that a lot of people have not said about. I have my 4x6 labels already loaded into it, so let me instruct that. And in this starter packet, you will have a few labels already in here. I think there might be 10 labels that comes in with it. You can download this app. You want to definitely use the QR code to do that with. And then when you do this app, it's going to automatically give you all these options that no one talks about. You can already see that it does not take up a lot of space. I have my ruler here. I want to just show you how compact this little booger is. 4 inches. So you got 7 by 4. And its depth is also like 3.5 inches. So it's very small, compact. I'm actually got it resting on its own box that it came packed in, which also includes the power adapter. And that adapter has what we call a battery, pack, just like a laptop computer. You'll also get the USB cable in the box. The USB cable is here. So you can plug that right into your computer just like I have. It easily comes on. It's got a switch right here in the back. The blue light indicates that it is connected and it is ready for use. If you are doing this by Bluetooth, you would automatically just open up what it's called Label app, and it has a blue light kind of like this on the actual app, and you can advance your feed through mashing that button. And now that I've done that, I'll show you how easy it is to load. I actually tuck my labels underneath my machine here, and I'll show you. I'm literally leaving it on its box and push them under there. When I see them come out here, I know they're under there, and that's as much as I keep out at one time. And I highly recommend doing this. It makes it more compact. So this is what it does. It automatically will calibrate. It is ready to go. It is that simple to use. You open up the app, connect Bluetooth, and you are ready to do so much with the label when you do that. Things with the app. See, I have my callback information, my advertising information on there about my business. I will place these onto the package whenever someone has an order with me, and the app will give you the option. You could put several things on this one size label. This is 4x6. You also have the option to do it in landscape, horizontally or vertically, but it comes nicely packaged. I kid you not, in this box I was over the top pleased with it. You see where it says there you can create your label. You can also do PDF file and other things. Yes, you can do photographs. They're going to be in black and white, but you can do photographs. It is Apple ready iOS, and of course you see the icon there, flash label. That is what your app icon is going to look like on your cell phone or tablet. You can still use it wirelessly even if you have it plugged into a computer such as I do, or if I am in another room and I am packaging out my packages, I can just use my cell phone or my tablet and connect to it Bluetooth, so I don't have to come in here and change anything. As long as the machine is on, it will read my Bluetooth. Also, I wanted to add that when you select this printer and you're using a tablet or a cell phone, and I'll pull it back up, you may see this arrow come up that might pop up on your actual Bluetooth connection out here, that will tell you something about an error that it's having, that it's got, that there was some kind of error, but it will not affect the printability. Now, until you download this app, if you are connecting to the printer before downloading the app that goes to it, you will encounter that error. So be sure to download the app, then connect it via Bluetooth, and you will not see that error message come up anymore. I just wanted to add that because I had answered people's questions on Amazon about this printer, and they were stating that they were experiencing this error message. Well, it's because they jumped to starting to use the Bluetooth on this device before downloading the app that goes to this device. So that's just, you can use this, and let's say you haven't had a minute to download the app. So that's because a lot of people don't know what the app is, which is Flash Label for the app. So for those of you who, maybe misplaced this, or you've already bought this printer and you keep getting that message, just the Flash Label, and that icon is real easy to see. Flash Label, real nice, very modern and up to date, and it actually says Flash Label in the corner. To show you, this is my Samsung Galaxy tablet, and as you can see, these are the other features. You have the video tutorial, Flash Label come up, and you have other options here. You also, here's your new label where you can create your PDF files, and here's the photograph one that I was telling you about. Also, barcodes. If you are someone who has products and you need to put a barcode on it, you have that option. This particular printer has so many options that no one talks about that laser printers can do. So let's press the create. So here we can create our label. It's going to give us our size dimensions. So you make sure that you're using that particular. That way, if you use a different size label, which you can purchase for this particular laser printer, then you have that option. So here we can create, and you have your print now. You have all your options. You also have your history of any other labels that you have used. It'll bring it up here. We're not using that right now. You can create your own label. You can do your barcode. You can do QR codes. You can do serial numbers, the date, timestamps, album. Now, here on the album, I love this. While I'm using this app, my business, I'm going to bring up this. I'm going to go down here and hit allow, and I want that picture. So I can make this bigger. I can center this. Now, since I have not connected this Bluetooth yet, also on my settings, that will help you to change this. If you decided, oh, I put the wrong label, I need to reselect that, or I want standard size, you can also hit the save here so that it saves those settings for you, and then you can go back. So we're going to connect this tablet real quick, Bluetooth. So first I'm going to, of course, pull down my options. I want to go to my Bluetooth controls, and I'm going to turn on the printer first. Okay, I'm going to make sure she is on. And then I'm going to allow my tablet a moment to pick up Bluetooth on this device. I want it to do the printer. All right, now, and it's telling me, do I want that? I want to pair it with that one. So I'm now ready to print. I want you to look how quick this happens. I'm going to hit print. All right, up here, see how it comes up. It's got the printer, and it's doing the Bluetooth connect. You want to press connect. There, now we have it connected. So we are ready to print this particular item, and it's showing us the print preview. So big on the screen. Now, at this point, you need to decide how many do you want to print. So I'm going to create 4. Look how quick this happens. As soon as you hit that button, it spits them out. I mean, it is quick. Really, really quick. And now you have your callback information. So if you happen to be doing your packages and you forgot to do some callback info, you could go ahead and pull that up. Now, what I can do here is I can go back, and when I get ready to close this, it's going to ask me if I want to save it. Okay, I can go ahead and save it, and I can name that file. I'm going to save that. So guess what? Now when I come back to this, it's successfully saved. I will be able to pull up my saved files. So those are some more features. I have also done black and white photographs with this. I've dropped pictures in here. And like I said, you have all these other options. There are templates. Select the size and find whichever template you're wanting to use. Or you have the video tutorials. So check out the Tengyue printer. I would definitely recommend this particular label printer, and no more ink cartridges to deal with. Very fast, speedy, and easy to use. It's super easy to do. You have more than one option, and you'll be able to save those options and get a lot of bang for your buck. You can have that versatility of using Bluetooth, and you can turn it on and off, be able to use your applications via your tablet and or cell phone. And you want to download the app because guess what? You get all these extra features with it. You get 2 more features with it, and you also get your video tutorials. I hope you enjoyed this video and this product review. And remember that when the printer is turned on, your light turns blue. This is also your label advancer. Really compact, easy to carry with you.